Let me tell you about the man that I love. He has a pure loving heart like a dove, chocolate skin, beautiful warm hands, they need no gloves. He's short tempered yet tall. His brown eyes made me fall. His flamy voice when he talks. I'm a stoner and he got jokes. I'm telling you about the man that I love. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, he's a stoner too. Things I fantasize about. Woo, yo, got no clue. I don't wanna be a nag. I won't stay stuck on him like glue. We both got too much love to give, I assume. When he talks to me, I glow. He's got a girl though. I'm talking about the man that I love. I don't know if I'd ever get the chance because he's really in love, but we connected. That can turn to love, right? I'm in love with someone else's man. He hardly talks about her, but man, I'm afraid he'll never be my man. But he might forever be the man that I love. Now I've found a way to control my feelings and my heart. He doesn't know he's got a warm, perfect place in my heart. He doesn't know I say I ain't Floyd, but I'd fight for him even in this May weather. He'd be my hot chocolate, I'd be his cheddar. Since he seems happy, I wouldn't promise to treat him better. His smile, guys. His fragrance takes me to dreamland, I won't lie. He's the man that I love. He's a hugger. Strong arms, I don't think he's a player, not like Parker. I cook a lot so he'd never die of hunger. If he can't bake, I always got cake. Let me not say much, I don't want his girl to shake. I'm sorry, but I'm in love with your man. The nigga that calls you babe happens to be the man that I love.